Want to turn your iPhone into an AI-powered art studio? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create stunning Grok AI images directly on your iPhone. No extra apps, no hassle. First, open the Grok AI app on your phone. Don't have it yet? Download it from the App Store. It's free and super fast to set up. Once you are in, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on Create Image button. Here's the fun part. Type anything you can imagine, for example, a futuristic city at sunset. The more you tell your description, the better AI image will turn out. Once ready, hit generate. And just like that, Grok AI will transform your words into a stunning visual masterpiece in seconds. Look how beautiful they are. You can also create this image into a video by clicking on Make Video. And Grok AI will take some time to convert this image into a video. And see how beautifully Grok AI convert this image into a video. Love your creation? Tap Save to keep it on your iPhone or share it instantly with your friends, social media, or even your work projects. It's that simple. And here's a pro tip. Try combining two ideas in one description like futuristic city or magical creatures. For a mind-blowing AI art results, if you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe and comment what crazy image you are going to create first time with Grok AI.